Hey guys, Alex here with Can Do DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the fender badge on your F-150. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to remove the badge from the fender and replace the chrome badging that's on there from the factory with this sleek all blacked out version from Tufskinz. So here's what you need for the project. A Tufskinz badge kit, a drill with a 7/64 drill bit, a plastic putty knife about 1 inch wide, and a utility knife. Really the only tool that you need to get these badges off of the fender is a narrow plastic putty knife. You don't want to use a metal one for hopefully obvious reasons, but a plastic putty knife is going to get between the badge and the fender and pull it out. You want to pull it out straight because it's got 5 tabs holding it on. So we just wiggle right in there into the middle and we're going to pull straight out. Lay down something soft or padded on the workbench so you don't scratch the badge. Here we are going to drill out these 5 plastic rivets that are holding on the OEM badge. You really only need to drill about 1/16 of an inch deep. You don't want to drill all the way through. Next, you're going to take that utility knife and cut off what's left of those rivets so that they pull out the front. Now the badge should just pop right out. Next, we're going to clean the surfaces with an alcohol prep pad to make sure that the adhesive on the new badge sticks really well. We're also going to clean this piece here where the 2 pieces have separated because we're going to add a piece of double stick tape to hold it together in place of the rivets. This tape is included in the kit with the Tufskinz badge. First, peel the double stick tape off of the white backing so that only one sticky side is exposed. You're going to install the tape with the one sticky side to the larger piece of the fender badge. And then once that's installed, you can peel off the red part and stick the 2 together. Pay careful attention to the orientation of the badge that came off, as the left and the right side are different. You'll notice one corner is a little bit more rounded than the other, so you want to make sure that before you peel off the tape on the Tufskinz badge, that you're using the right side. To reinstall the badge, just line up the tabs and push them straight in. You may have to give them a little tap. And that's it, you're done. In just a few minutes, you can have a customized badge on your F-150. If you found this video helpful or informative, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more DIY tips.